Okay, hopefully this video will help you with the filter reset. As you can see on this Frigidaire, the light has come on. This particular model has a reusable filter. You don't have to go out and buy another one as long as the filter is in good shape. It just needs to be cleaned, and then the reset light can be turned off. So in this particular model, there are some little nubs right here. I'll pull down on that and it pops out. You can do this two-handed if you're not holding a camera. And then it comes down a little bit. It might catch here. Usually with this one, if you pull up a little bit on it and pop it out like that, that little piece right there, which goes in this slot, will let loose. Be careful not to force it or it could break. Set that aside, and here is the filter. This part comes out quite easily. Usually there are a couple of little nubs right here and right here for grabbing a hold of, and you can pull those out. Remember the direction. These are facing out. When you put it back in, you want them still to be facing out. It will fit inside these two little tabs right here. It's actually on the outside. It should be on the inside of that one if it were properly installed, like that. So you take this out, clean it with soap or some kind of degreaser and water. It's not paper. It can hold up a little bit, but make sure you don't scrub it too hard or tear any of this material, this mesh. And then just dry it and put it back in this way when you're finished. And take the cover. Make sure it goes back in those holes properly and seats like that. And then up top you can just kind of push down a little bit and pop that back in. Once you do that, this button up here, the filter reset, you'll have to push it and the light should go off. When it comes back on, it's time to clean your air filter again.